Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this quick video I will show you how you can increase your limit or your card limit on the Trading 212 app. So let's get right into it. So once you open up your Trading 212 app, just go ahead and tap on your card section right here. From there you will be able to see all the cards that you currently have, and then just go ahead and tap on the card that you would like to adjust the limit for. So for example, let's go ahead and select this virtual card. Once you have your card selected, you should be able to see this limit icon in the upper right corner. So just go ahead and tap on that. And here is actually the place where you can adjust or remove your card limits. So you have it set by transactions, ATM withdrawals, and money transfers. So depending which limit you would like to remove, just go ahead and navigate to one of these sections, and then just go ahead and tap on this cogwheel icon next to the limit that you would like to adjust. And next up, you just need to verify your identity with a quick video for you to be able to remove or adjust your card limit. After that, they will allow you to change your own card limit. So I won't be recording a video of myself because I don't want to give them any more of my biometric data. But if you really need this changed, you can go ahead and do so, and then this will be unlocked for change. But essentially guys, that's how you can change or adjust your Trading 212 card limit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.